Alright, we have breaking news. A tornado warning have issued in Elkhart County until 6:30. We have a tornado warning in Elkhart County. We repeat, we have a tornado warning have issued in Elkhart County. I told you, this is it. There's a tornado get hit between here and Elkhart. We got very, very, very bad weather condition. We got some heavy rain. We up to 8 inches of rain. 8 inches of rain have been reported. And we got the wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. I mean, this is some strange weather we're having right now. Wait, 60 miles an hour, not 55, 60 miles an hour. 60-mile gusts. Oh, these flags are heavy. They're 4x6. And Elkhart's back there. It's dark back there. We don't know if the tornado's on the ground, but we're gonna find out now. It's supposed to be on the ground because the weather condition is correct. The tornado must be on the ground. We'll get some lights on. Matter of fact, I'm soaking wet, man. Matter of fact, I'm soaking wet. Look. I'm soaking wet. My sock's not, though. Tornado warning had been issued in Parker County earlier today, and we thought we were going to get one. 8 inches of rain, man. What the heck? Oh, and by the way, we got a bad accident in my town. A semi-truck just fell over and crushed the car. In my local news, there's like a semi-truck that fell over here, a vehicle, like 10 minutes ago. We do have some lighting. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Feels better now, okay. So, that's all we're gonna hit. The tornado missed us by 1 county. Yes, the tornado is on the ground. There's a report that tornado hasn't touched the ground in Elkhart County. Alright, that's the news. Alright, so stay tuned for more updates. And this might be the last part. All we just get is heavy rain. With heavy winds. And due to the power outage, I reset my clock. And the power just flashed like... When I was outside, the power just flashed. Like all these lights is on across the street. And I saw them went all the way off. And second of all, I see like a huge trash bag. Like it's a trash bag like here to here with a round. That's a huge trash bag. I see a couple of them with it's called debris, and 2 of them hit the line and 1 just hit the pole. I heard that psh, 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 saying like that. And about a second later, the power just flashed. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. And this could be our last storm video in the warm weather season. See you back. I see you in winter.